We're doing some testing here today at Rogue Fabrication, and I want to show it to you. We're going to be doing our thin wall roller. So this is an assembly that replaces the pressure die in the tubing bender, and this patent pending design helps distribute pressure better to improve bend quality. We have to test this on new metal all the time to explore all the possibilities so that we can bring you up-to-date results and expectations for the machinery that you're going to buy. So we've got the material loaded up in the machine already. I want to show you guys exactly what this looks like bent. So that is a bend on the thin wall roller, 1 5/8 083 Chromoly. And as you can see, the bend quality is pretty good. This deformation is probably about 6% or so. That's all pulled in on the outside. The inside is, like all of our benders, always nice and neat. This metal was brought to you by metalsupermarkets.com. This metal could have also been brought to you by onlinemetals.com. If it wasn't brought to you by them, it would have been EMJ Metals. Now, the reason why we're doing this is the second purpose of this video is to show you guys how to apply for sponsorships. We get a ton of applications for sponsorship. I want to show you guys how to do it by showing you the right way and the wrong way to do it. So this is the right way. You're going to be buying your stuff up front if you're small time, meaning if you don't have 10,000 active subscribers, 100,000, 1 million active subscribers, that kind of thing. If you don't have a huge audience, prove it first. I'm going to buy the metal from Online Metals. I'm going to buy the tube from EMJ Metals. I'm going to buy it from metalsupermarkets.com. And then I'm going to show what I can do. I'm going to put a link in the description. It's going to point back to Online Metals. It's going to show them how valuable we can be, the quality of our videos, the quality of our editing, and it's going to prove to them that we are worthy of sponsoring. Now, the way not to do it is to lead in with a call for empathy. Poor me, my house had this happen, I have this problem, I have this issue. That's an application for charity. While RogueFab has an active charity program, you can totally prove to us how many people you can help and how you can help them and how that's going to benefit our company through a charity application. If you're doing sponsorship, show us what you can do to help us win. You win yourself, you show off what you can do, you show the company you're helping. My favorite thing to do is make a threat that's not idle. By make a threat that's not idle, I don't mean make a threat. I mean say something like, no matter if you sponsor me today or not, I'm still going to buy your tools. They're the right fit for my shop, and we have the capacity to buy them, and we have to know how to use them, and they're needed for our content. If you do not sponsor us today, we might ask again in the future. That's the end of the threat. That proves your confidence, capacity, and trajectory. Those are the things you have to show them. After you're done with that, you buy the tools, you provide the backlinks, you do the work, you grow your channel, and if you do come back in the future and you guys reach an agreement, that's great. Either way, you learn how to be a sponsee. Say, hey, I'm going to buy your tools for full price. I'm going to show you how good I am with them. I'm going to show you how fast my channel can grow. And then once your channel has shown some trajectory and you've maybe grabbed a link, put it in the description, seen some web traffic that can be verified easily in Google Analytics, that's when you come back and say, I'm a small channel, but I'm still worth sponsoring. So that's what we recommend you guys do. It's helpful, it's easy, and if you follow this recipe, it'll actually work for you too.